Well, something different for a change. I just used this road yesterday coming back from the Lake District. I had a couple of days over there doing some walks, some hiking and whatnot. It was great. Stiff as a boat today, like. I had a 12 o'clock start. It's the 7th today, Saturday, 7th of April, and I'm off to East Kilbride. Got a full trailer, all for Sainsbury's. Just get there when you can, Steve, no hurry. So, well, you know me, I'll get there as quick as I can. I was out the yard. I mean, I got in at 5 to 12 today, and truck and trailer were hooked up. The guy was in the office handing the keys in, and they just slid them straight to me and went, "That's you all hooked up, ready to go, go do your checks." 12 minutes past 12 I was out the door, so pretty good. I definitely picked the right couple of days for the Lake District. We've had some absolutely amazing weather, unbelievable views from the tops. Ready to rock and roll for this week. Got lots of graft again, loads going on. I've got 3 days of this, singles, and then Tuesday, Wednesday I jump back onto the doubles. Something on the Thursday, possibly the Friday, and I'm gonna take a weekend off. On the M6 unless something else is going on along here. Here's my little coffee shop. I just said to the wife yesterday, I love coming whizzing along here in the lorry. I love this little bit. And here I am, whizzing along in a lorry, 24 hours after seeing it. Weird. M6. And it's still tipping it down. Another 80 mile to go before I come off at exit 5. It's 10 to 2. Still raining. Still raining. Just a 15-minute break in Hamilton services. Bumpy Hamilton. I wouldn't come in here if I was carrying eggs, I can tell you. I'm only 10 miles away from Sainsbury's. I'll get in there, I can get tipped, and then I'll take a 30-minute break. Either they let you in the yard, sometimes depends who's on. I'm not often on this side, but they're canny enough, they really are. Take you through this bit to get back onto the 74, and then I'm straight off it again. I'm in for it when I come back. There's roadworks on the other side of the road there leading up to the roundabout. It's pretty yucky. Them down now. And here we are, it's just on the right hand side around this corner. We'll see what the crack is. Catch us on the other side.
It's up to Stuart Atwell from here on in.
Oh, it wrecked all the bloody whistle.
Newcastle not being in any hurry to take this free kick. Everybody's walking. It'll probably be Paul Dummett. We're just going to smash it into the right-hand corner for Josselin. That's exactly what he's done. The full-time was...
Yes!
3 points.
Get in!
Newcastle United, 3 points that could surely...
Come on!
Premier League football for season 2018-19 for Rafa Benitez's men. They were 2-0 up, 1 goal up at half-time. Jose Perez with a delightful second, lobbing Kasper Schmeichel from 30 yards out. Jamie Vardy gave Leicester hope in the closing stages after Okazaki unselfishly headed the ball across the face of goal, but they couldn't force any gilt-edged chances to equalise. And on the chairman's birthday here at Leicester City, Newcastle United have spoiled the party. It's finished. Leicester City 1, Newcastle United 2.
Still raining. Getting a bit of a view though, so it's not too bad. I'll be back in the yard for about 8:30, 9 o'clock. Sorted. Just past one of my favourite name places, Eckelfecken. It's still raining, yes. So thanks for a total washout day. I'm so glad, honestly, half of us think, oh, weather was so nice in the lakes yesterday and the day before, which is rare as well, by the way. Well, I'm sure you know that. And I thought, maybe do some biking weekend, but I chose not to. The wise head prevailed, and I'm so glad I did. It's not stopped raining in Newcastle all day, so it would have been a shit day. I'd have been papering the staircase. I don't think so. If there's no one in the petrol station, I'm going to pull in and have a coffee. Looks clear, unless these two store-bots in front of us pull in. I doubt they will though. There's not long left their yard. They came out of their depot just in front of me on the M6. Carry on, thank you. Nothing to say. Sparkly lights in front, God's country, Newcastle. Got a cracking little shift, 9.5 hours, all in by the time I get out of there. It's just a case of, because I'm empty, I get in, fill the truck and the trailer with diesel, AdBlue, spin it round the back of the yard, take it back up and drop the trailer on the hard stand and just park this bad boy up, and that would be my day. 5 minutes in the paperwork scenario. Done. Always reminds me, ever since I was a kid, that road straight ahead there, the Dick Tracy show, the way the lights go up the side. Don't ask us why. And yeah, I should probably be committed, but I used to watch the Dick Tracy show when I was a little in, and every time I used to drive down here in the car with my dad or whoever, I was reminded us of one scene in the Dick Tracy show when he's driving up the street with all the lights on. Weirdo. I know. Inside, so there isn't. Be careful there. It's a funny little cam, that's all there is. I've got a couple of lovely chops waiting for us when I get in for me tea. Somebody waiting for us to cook them now. We'll see. Catch you later, folks. Something different today. Shame about the weather. Couldn't do much vlogging. It's not really worth it when the weather's as rubbish as that. Hopefully tomorrow it's better. I was 8 o'clock start tomorrow, but they've asked if I wouldn't mind coming in at 11 instead. Yeah. No bother. Rivertine!